Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Temperatures once again into the 90s today. In fact, saw the hottest reading so far this month of August. Now, okay, it's only the 7th day of August, but still, you get the idea. That's the 17th day now of temperatures above 90 for us this entire summer. And it's going to be a hot one expected in some spots for tomorrow, but it will start to shift as we've got an upper level low starting to bring in some cloud cover, and we'll start to bring in the thunderstorms as well. Here's a live shot out of Willamette Pass, looking a little hazy out there. One of the spots that will likely start to see the smoke from all of the wildfire complexes down in southern Oregon start to move in. As that low gets closer, we see the wind switch. They'll start coming in out of the southwest, and that's when both of these areas that I have highlighted here, the Whiskey Complex and then the larger one, the Douglas Complex, both of those now with the northwesterly winds are pushing to the south and just to the east. As the winds switch, we'll start to see that smoke drifting northward, so that puts Oak Ridge down towards, I said, Crater Lake, Willamette Pass area, certainly Roseburg and Sutherland, Yoncalla, all of the smaller spots across Goshen, Cottage Grove, Crestwell, whatnot, and maybe even pushing as far north as towards Eugene, Springfield area as we get later on into the work week. Now, what we've also been watching is our first thunderstorm popping of the afternoon. This one just south of Bend. You can see it running parallel with Highway 97. We've got lots of red flag warnings out as well in anticipation as that low gets closer to us. We're likely going to see more thunderstorms start to pop. Fire danger remains high across all of western Oregon. And we'll likely see more thunderstorms popping, courtesy of this area of low pressure. Now, it's still offshore, and the computer models slowly bring it inland into northern California over the next couple of days. The ingredients are all there. Moisture, moisture, I should say, sunshine destabilizing the atmosphere, and a little bit of trigger, which is the low itself. And the winds all coming out of the south and southeast might bring a good chance for some of those to try to drift their way up in towards the Southern Valley later on in the week. Now, the good news is the temperatures will cool down. We've been looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 90s today. 90s back off towards the east of us as well, even out to the coast of Astoria, hot at around 68. But as we go in towards tomorrow and the next couple of days, not only will we see the low bring in some cooler air, but we'll also see some of the cloud cover from the thunderstorms in the mountains just kind of move its way down into the valley. Now, as we get later on into the week, this will move inland, and then where it goes is a little difficult to predict at this point. There's some computer models bring it back offshore. Some move it right over top of us as we go into the weekend. Either way, we've got a chance to not only cool things off just a bit, but we'll see some strong thunderstorms, especially in the mountains at first. May see some of those try to creep their way down into the valleys and possibly giving us some actual rain chances as we head in towards the weekend. I think there's going to be a lot of, we'll say, kind of fluidity to our forecast over the next couple of days, so certainly keep it tuned here and we'll keep you up with the latest. So the coast will see the temperatures and maybe even a slight chance for a shower by the time we get to the weekend, staying in the mid-60s. In the Umpqua Basin, it will be cooler tomorrow, but still very hazy, smoky, bad air quality for most of the Umpqua as the winds will be out of the south above the surface, and then we'll add a threat for some thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Same thing in the Cascades, smoky. Thunderstorms could be strong at times, and then again, lots of lightning strikes with those, and a possibility of some gusty winds and small hail all the way through about Saturday. And then in the valley, we'll see temperatures tomorrow, guys, just a little cooler, but it is going to start affecting the smoke anyway, our air quality. I think really coming into play Thursday and Friday, especially if we don't get any rain from the thunderstorms and they stay up in the mountains. All that smoky air is going to sit right on top of us at night, pick up in the day, sit right on top of us at night again.
Wow. All right.